floodlines and floodplain mappings are based on 1980s and 1990s, so they are almost 3 decades old. And as we are all aware that the last 3 decades we had huge astronomical improvement in computational analysis. So we had better computers, faster computers, and also we had better hydrologic and hydraulic models. So and also better data input, like the land use have been updated. We had longer period of hydrometric data, and many other inputs like the digital elevation models, topographic information that are essential in our floodplain modeling. So they have been improved. We recently have received the LiDAR data that we are using in our new developments and in modeling. As part of this effort, we had a huge campaign of surveying with new state-of-the-art GPS equipment that we have provided, doing the survey of the channels and the infrastructures like bridges, culverts, all over the watershed.
So we usually will walk upstream from concession to concession. So every day is different. It really depends on the area. Typically for smaller drains and creeks, we will take cross sections about every 75 to 100 meters because the topography and the landscapes are changing quite more frequently than, say, larger waterways. So for larger waterways, we'll typically go every 200 to 300 meters, and that's just because it's not varying as much.
Climate change has been changing the pattern of the precipitation and the intensity of it, so it could have profound effect on our input into our hydrologic data for our analysis. So that's another aspect that we have to look at it and to update our models. As we have these models in place at UTRCA, then it can help us in many aspects like the planning or the flood forecasting, flood mitigation, droughts, and many aspects of the water resource engineering modeling, and that we can be used even for ecological purposes. So we have a better understanding of what's going on in terms of hydrologic cycle in our watershed.